From this basic equation, we are going to obtain the values of y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. K2 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h by 2, comma y1 plus k1 by 2. Hello and warm welcome to one and all. It is Dr. Ravikumar YB, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, MYSURU, the Temple of Excellence. In today's session, let me explain more examples about Runge Kutta fourth order method. In my previous session, I was discussing about the Runge Kutta second order as well as fourth order methods. Now let me take up more number of examples so that you will become familiar with the Runge Kutta fourth order methods. So if that is the case, we have the formula like this, that is y of x plus h, that is equal to y of x plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus k4. This is the formula we are using. The terms like k1, k2, k3, k4 are derived with these values, these formulations. That is where k1 is equal to h into f of x, comma y. K2 is equal to h into f of x plus h by 2, comma y plus k1 by 2. Now k1 value is substituted into this to get to the value of k2. Now k2 is substituted into this equation, that is k3 is equal to h into f of x plus h by 2, comma y plus k2 by 2. Now k3 is used in the next equation, that is k4 is equal to h into f of x plus h, comma y plus k3 to get the value of k3. Once k1, k2, k3, k4, all of these are obtained, we will substitute it into this equation to get the value of y of x plus h. If that is the case, what is the value of h? That is the step size that is defined by the questionnaire. If that is the case, let me take up one of the examples here. Now we have examples like h is equal to 0.1 here, then y dash is equal to 5x square minus y divided by e raised to the power of x plus y, that is this term, e raised to the power of x plus y. If that is the case, what is the value of y0? That is y0 is equal to 1. Y of 0 is equal to 1. Then what is the value of y of 1? That means y of 1 is equal to how much? Y of 2 is equal to how much? All those things are calculated by using the step size. Now 0 plus 0.1 is what? 0 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.1 obviously. Then what is y of 0.1? That has to be calculated. Similarly, 0.1 plus 0.1, that is 0.2, that is equal to how much? That is y2. Y2 is equal to what? From this basic equation, we are going to obtain the values of y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. And this y of 0.1 and 0.2, where in this case, y of 0.1 is dependent on y0, also called as this as y0, this as y1, this as y2. So y2 is dependent on y1, the value of y1. If that is the case, you can look into it. We have the solution to this equation y dash, where y dash is equal to, is represented by dy by dx equal to 5x square minus y divided by e to the power of x plus y. If that is the case, what is the value of x? If that is the case, x equal to 0, that means x0, comma y0 is equal to 1. This is the basic equation or the values, initial values given here. If that is the case, we have x0 comma y0 that is equal to 0 comma 1, where h is equal to 0.1. This is the value given to you. With this, let me substitute the value of x0. If I substitute the value of x equal to 0, we'll get 0 square minus 1. That means 5 into 0 square is 0 minus 1 divided by e to the power of 0 plus 1, that is 1, e to the power of 1, which leads to the value which is equal to minus 1 divided by e to the power of 1. If I solve these values, this equation, what is the value I am getting? Let me show you that. Minus 1 divided by e raised to the power of 1, which is equal to minus 0.3678794412. This is the value of this. Now we have found that f of x comma y is equal to this. If that is the case, how can I find out the value of K1, that is value of K1 is equal to this. Please see to it here, minus 0.036, 0.036, 0.036, sorry, it is minus 0.036, 3678794441. Now if I add the value, that is K1 and K2, how can I find out the value of K1 and K2? That is using the formula K1 is equal to H into F of x0 comma y0. F of x0 comma y0 is obtained. What is the value of H? It is H is equal to 0.1. So 0.1 into this term, that is 0.36. That is 0.36 7879 4412. This is the value we have. So if I simplify this, what is the value of K1? K1 is equal to 0.1 means 0.03678794412. This is the value of K1. Now with this K1, I will calculate the value of K2. How can I find out the value of K2? K2 is equal to H into F of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus K1 by 2. This is the formula we have. If that is the case, what is the value of x0? x0 is equal to 0, 0 plus 0.1 by 2, comma, what is the value of y0? It is 1, 1 plus K1. K1 is what? This is to be divided by 2. That means 0.036 7879 7879 4412 divided by 2. If I simplify these terms, I'll get the function of this that has to be multiplied by h to get the value of K2. If that is the case, let me substitute the value of h is equal to 0.1 multiplied by f of this. This leads to the value which is equal to 0.05 comma. What is this term? That is 0.36 divided by 2, which is equal to plus 1. What is the value of that? 0.8160602794. This is the value we have. If I substitute this x and y into this equation, that is into this equation, what is the value I am going to get? That is minus answer. That is 5 into 0.05 whole square minus that term. This is minus term, this is minus term. So we have minus term here. So we have minus term here. Show you that minus 0.03678794412 divided by 2 is equal to this plus 1. It is equal to 0.98. It is 0.98160602794. This is the value. Now I have to substitute these values into this equation. If that is the case, what is the value of 5? 5 into x square means what? 0.05 whole square is equal to this term minus the term 0.98160602794, which is equal to minus 0.6 divided by e raised to the power of 0.05 plus 0.98160602794. That is equal to that is K2 is equal to minus 0.3454223938. 223938. That is the value of K2. If that is the case, what is the value of K3? How can I find out the value of K3? That is K3 is equal to the formula which is equal to h into f of x plus h by 2 comma y plus y0 plus K2 by 2. This gives me the value of K3. If that is the case, K3 is equal to 0.1 into f of x0 is what? 0 plus 0.1 by 2, comma, what is the value of y0? Y0 is equal to 1 plus k2, that is obtained here, plus of minus 0.3454 2233938. This must be divided by 2. This gives me the, after simplifying this, we will get the value which is equal to 0.1 into f of 0.05 comma this term, that is minus 0.3454223938 divided by 2, which is equal to this term, plus 1, what is the value, that is 0.827288 This is the function of this. If I substitute these values into this equation, what is the value I will get? Let me show you that. 0.05 square is equal to this term multiplied by 5, is the value 1 by 80, that is equal to 0.0125 minus that term 0.8272888031 is equal to this term divided by shift e raised to the power of x is 0.05 plus 0.8272888031, that is equal to the term that has to be multiplied by 0.1. Yes, k2 must be multiplied by this term 0.1. If I do that operation, that is, let me do it for k2 once again, that is k2 is equal to 5 times 0.05 whole square minus y, that is 0.9816060279, that is equal to this term divided by shift e raised to the power of x is 0.05 plus the term 0.9816060279, which is equal to, that has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value which is equal to 0.034. That is, k2 is equal to minus 0.03454223938. This is the value of k2. Now this k2 is applied onto this, that is 0.034. To solve this, we get the value which is equal to, that is this divided by 2, which is equal to this, plus 1, we have the value 0.9827. It is 0.9827 28803. This is the value. Now if I find out, substitute these x and y into this equation, into this function, that is into this function, I'll get the value that has to be multiplied by 0.1. If that is the case, we have the value that is 5 into 0.05 whole square is equal to this term, it is 0.0125 minus the term 0.9827288803 is equal to this value divided by shift e raised to the power of 0.05 plus the term 0.9827288803, that is equal to minus 0.3454345268, that has to be multiplied by 0.1, that is 0.1 to get the value of k3, that is k3 is equal to, what is the value after simplifying this and multiplying it by 0.1? K3 is equal to minus 0.03454 345268. 345268. This is the value of K3. So we have found K1, K2, K3 as well as K3. Now what is the next step? K4 is to be determined. That is K4 is equal to H into F of this term, which is that X0 plus H comma Y0 plus K3. This is the formula. For this, H means 0.1 into F of X is what? 0 plus 0.1 comma Y is 1 plus K3, that is this term. Plus into minus, that becomes minus, that is 1 minus 0.03454, 0.0354354, that is this term. The entire thing. If I solve that equation, what happens? That is this term becomes 0.1 into F of 0.1 comma 1 minus 0.03454 345268. We have to solve this and substitute into this equation. That is to get into this equation. What is that? That is 5 into 0.1 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.05 minus that is 1 minus 0.03454 345268, that is equal to the value 0.96, that is 0.1 comma 0.96 5456 5456 5473. That is f of this, that must be multiplied by 0.1. This gives me the value of K4, that is K4 is equal to. If that is the case, if I further simplify this term, what happens? That is 5 into 0.1 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.05 minus this term, that is this term, 0.96 5454 5456 5473 is equal to this value that has to be divided by shift e raised to the power of 0.1 plus 0.96 5454 5456 5473, that is equal to, that is K4 is equal to, this term must be multiplied by 0.1, that is minus 0.031 5439 3258. This is the value of K4. So we have found the values of K1, K2, then K3 as well as K4. Now the job is to substitute these K1, K2, K3, K4 into that original equation. That is, which is that equation? About this equation. Into this equation. That is y of 0 plus 0.1 is 0.1 is equal to y of 0 is what? That is 1 plus 1 by 6. That is 1 plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus K2, 2 times K2 plus 2 times K3 plus K4. This is the formula we have. So we have y of 0.1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 6 into, what is the value of K1 we have found here? Minus 0.036 minus 0.036 78794412. 78794412 plus 2 times K2. What is the value of K2? Let me see to it. Minus 0.03454 minus 0.03454 223938 223938. This is multiplied by again 2 times this value K3. What is the value of K3 we have found in the previous slide? That is minus 0.345434 minus 0.0345434 5268. plus K4. What is the value of K4? That is K4 is equal to this value, minus 0.03154 minus 0.031543452393258 393258. If I solve this equation, what is the value I am going to get? That is this. If I solve that equation, that is equal to minus 0.03678794412 plus 2 times minus 0.034523938 plus of 2 times minus 0.03454345268 plus of 2 times minus 0.034 minus 0.034543454 223938 which is equal to minus 0.06908447876 plus of 2 times this term. If I solve this term, what is the value I am going to get? 2 times minus 0.03454345268 that is equal to minus 0.06908690536 minus this term, that is 0.03154393258, that is K4. Then what is the value of K1? Let me keep it as it is, that is minus 0.0367879 4412 that is this term. If I solve this, I'll get the value of this, that has to be multiplied by 1 by 6 plus 1. If I solve this, I'll get the value of y of 0.1. What is the value I can get? That is, let me solve this equation now, a big value, that is minus 0.03678794412 minus 0.069086908447876 minus 0.06908690536 minus 0.03154393258, that is minus 0.03678794412 minus 0.06908447876 minus 0.06908690536 minus 0.03154 393258 which is equal to this term, that is equal to minus 0.206503268 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 plus of minus 0.03441721014, which is equal to, what is the value which is equal to 1 minus of this, that is plus 1, that is equal to 0.96 0.9655827899. This is the value of y of 0.1. Let me cross verify that with the table. that is y of 0.1. What is the value of y of 0.1 we have obtained? Minus 0.965582, 0.965582, 7899. This is the value of y of 0.1. If I do the operations again, that is using this as the value of y1, that is y1 is equal to this. What is the x1? x1 is equal to 0.1, and if I further process this operation, I'll get the value of y2, that is this term. Let me do it once again for this to get the value of y2, that is y2 of this. How can I find out this value? Let me use the operations like that. So that first let me find out the value of y0 and k1, k2, k3, k4. k1 is equal to h into f of x1 comma y1. That is the value of k1 is equal to k2 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k1 by 2. Now we have found k2. k3 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2. Then k3 is obtained from this. k4 is equal to h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k3. That is this. If that is the case, then we will substitute it into this equation. Y of 0.2 is equal to y of 0.1, that is 0.1, that means y1 plus h into this term, that is k1, h into 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus k4. If you find this value, you will get what is the value of this y of 0.2. Now we have to find out this. In order to find out this, let me find out the value of k1. What is the value of k1? k1 is equal to 0.1 h into f of, what is the value of x1 we have obtained? x1 is equal to 0.1 plus 0, that is equal to 0.1. 0.1 comma y1. What is the value of y1 we have found here? That is this one, 0.9655, 0.9655, 827899, 827899. So we can use this equation. Now let me solve this to get this, and that has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value of k1. k1 is equal to that. What is that equation? The equation stands that 5 times x square, that is 5 into 0.1 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 20, which is equal to 0.05 minus the term y, 0.9655827899, that is equal to the numerator, that has to be divided by shift e raised to the power of 0.1 plus this term, 0.9655827899, that is equal to the value which is equal to that has to be multiplied by 0.1. So we have got the value which is equal to k1 is equal to minus 0.0315443004. This is the value of k1. Now how can I find out the value of k2? k2 is equal to h means what? 0.1 into f of 0.1 comma 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2, that is x plus h by 2 comma y. Y is what? This term, that is this 0.9655827899 plus k2, k1 by 2. What is k1? Minus 0.0315443004 divided by 2. If I simplify this, I'll get the value which is equal to 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2. That is 0.1 plus 0.1 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.15 comma this term. Let me simplify this term now. Minus 0.0315443004 divided by 2, that is equal to this term, plus of 0.965582 7899, which is equal to the value which is equal to 0.9498106399. The f of this must be determined, and finally it has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value of K2. Now how can I find out this? Let me substitute this into that equation. That is the equation that is equal to the equation is what? What is that equation? 5x square minus y divided by e raised to the power of x plus y. So let me substitute the value of x and y into this equation to get the term, the value of K2. That is 5 into 0.15 whole square, 0.15 whole square, that is equal to 9 by 80, which is equal to 0.1125 minus the term y, that is 0.9498106399. That has to be, the entire thing must be divided by shift e raised to the power of 0.15 plus 0.9498 106399, which is equal to this term that has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value of K2. That is, the value of K2 is equal to, K2 is equal to minus 0.02786922829. That is the value of K2. So we have found the value of K1 as well as K2. Now is the question to find out the value of K3. How can we find out the value of K3 from K2? What is the value of K3? K3 is equal to 0.1 into f of x plus x means 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2 comma y0 is what? That is y0 is equal to this term we have found in the previous iteration, that is y of 0.1, that is equal to this term, that is 0.9655827899 plus K2 is what? This term plus of minus 0.02787692829 divided by 2. The entire thing is divided by 2. So let me call this and simplify this term. That is, this becomes f of 0.15 comma, what is this value? Let me solve it out. Divided by 2, that is equal to this term minus 0.027876922829 divided by 2, which is equal to this term plus 0.9655827899, which is equal to 0.95. That is, if I solve this term, what is the value I am getting? 0.9516443258. That is this term. That has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value of K3. If that is the case, now I have to solve this. What is 0.15 into this equation? 5 times 0.15 whole square, which is equal to that term minus that term 0.9516443258, that is equal to the numerator divided by shift e raised to the power of 0.15 plus 0.9516443258, which is equal to the value which is equal to minus 0.278, that has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value which is equal to, that is K3 is equal to minus 0.02788679541. That is the value of K3. Now we have found the value of K3. K1, K2, K3 is obtained. The last step is to find out K4. What is the formula to find out the value of K4? K4 is equal to h into f of x plus h comma y plus K3. If I do this operation, 0.1 star f of what is x? x is 0.1, that is x1 is equal to 0.1, h is what? 0.1. So 0 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, that is 0.2, comma. What is the value of y1? y1 is equal to the value which is equal to this term, 0.9655 827899 plus k3, that is plus of this means it becomes minus this term, that is minus 0.02788 679541, that is the continuation of this. If I solve this equation and if I substitute this into this original equation, what happens? That is 5 times 0.2 whole square is equal to 1 by 5, which is equal to 0.2 minus 0. Let me solve this. 0.9655827899 minus 0.0278867,954, which is equal to this term, that is equal to f of 0.2 comma 0.9376 959945 959945, that is this term, that has to be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value of k4, that is k4 is equal to that. 5 times 0.2 whole square, that is equal to that term 1 by 5, 0.2 minus this term 0.9376959945, which is equal to the value which is equal to this, that must be divided by shift e raised to the power of 0.2 plus 0.9376959945, which is equal to values minus 0.23, that must be multiplied by 0.1 to get the value of k4, that is k4 is equal to, we have found the value of k4, that is k4 is equal to minus 0.02364734202. Now we have found the value of k4, that is k1, k2, k3, k4 is found, that has to be substituted into that equation to get the value of y2, that is this y2. How can we find out the value of y2? Y of 0.2 is equal to y of 0.1 plus this term 1 by 6 k1 plus 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus k4. This is the formula. So if I use this operation, what is the value of y of 0.1? We have found here in the previous 0.9655827899 plus 1 by 6 into what is the value of k1? K1 we have found here minus 0.03154 minus 0.03154 3004. This is the value of k1. What is the value of k2? 2 times k2. That is the value of 2 times k2. 2 times minus 0.027876 92829 2829, which is equal to the value which is equal to the old term, that is 2 times divided by k2. What is this? Let me write down the one result, that is minus 0.055575385658 plus 2 times k3. Let me take 2 times k3. 2 times k3. 2 times k3 minus 0.0278867,954, that is equal to the value which is equal to minus 0. This term. Minus means plus of minus, this becomes minus 0.0557735908. What is the value of K4 plus K4? Let me see to it. Minus 0.02 minus 0.02 3647 34202. This is the value of this K4. Plus of minus, that becomes minus. So 0.023647344202. We have this term now. The entire thing, this must be multiplied by, divided by 6. If that is the case, what is the value? Let me add up all these terms. That is minus 0.03154 minus 0.05575385658 minus 0.055773598 minus 0.02364734202, which is equal to this term. The entire thing must be divided by 6 to get the value which is equal to this. That is minus 0.0277865191. This is the value of this entire term. This is entire term is obtained from this. So this must be added with y of 0.1. That is 0.1 must be added to this. So what is the value of y of 0.1? If I add up this term to this plus 0.9655827899, which is equal to 0. If I solve this equation, we are getting 0.9377962775. This is the value I have. Let me cross verify that with this 0.9377962795. Yes, it is absolutely correct. So we have the value which is equal to y of 0.2 is equal to this term. So similarly, if I repeat the steps like K1, K2, K3, K4 and y of 0.3, we will get the value of this term. That is 0.91 like that. So again, using the values of K1, K2, K3, K4 with this y3, we will get y4. That is y4 is equal to y of 0.4 is equal to this. So on up to till 1. You will get the value which is equal to this. This is the final solution. So at the end, what is the value and upper limit they have asked, plus what is the upper bound limit that they have asked, whether it is for 0.4 or 0.3, 0.2, 0.1 or 0. Usually in the examination, they will ask till y of 0.2. That's all, till here. So this is the final answer for this solution, for this problem. So the same problem, let me take up one of the assignment problem. So this is y dash is equal to 2x square minus 3y square minus 2. What is the value of y2? y2 is equal to 1. That is y2 is equal to 1. Then x2 is equal to 0. If that is the case, we have to find out the value of h is equal to, anyway we have 0.05. We have y2 is equal to this. What is the value of that? What is the value of y3? y3 is equal to what? That has to be determined. How can we determine? That is y2 is equal to 1. That means we have 2. 2 plus 0.05 is what? 2.05. We have to find out, that is y of 2.05. Then y of 2.10 is equal to what? Y of 2.15. Y of 2.20 is equal to what? Y of 2.25, y of 2.30, so on till y of 3.0. That is equal to what? We have to find out the solutions like this. Try out to check the values of K1, K2, K3, K4. Then you will get the value of y of 2.05. 2.05. Similarly, use this value to get the value of 2.10. That is again K1, K2, K3, K4. This with these terms gives me the value of y of 2.10. Then similarly k1, k2, k3, k4 followed by this term to get the value of y of 2.15. This is the solution. This is how you have to calculate that. Similarly, this is another question. Y of 0 is equal to 1, y dash is equal to y plus square root of x square plus y square we have here. So we have the term which is equal to y of 0. That means y0 is equal to 1. What is the value of x0? x0 is equal to 0. We have to find out in terms of h is equal to 0.1. 0.1 means what? Y of 0.1 is equal to what? That means y1. That means x1 is equal to what? x1 is equal to x1 is equal to x0 plus 0.1 or h. I will replace it by h. If that is the case, x1 is equal to 0.1. Then f of 0.1 is equal to what? We have to find out using k1, k2, k3, k4. Then you will get the value of y of 0.1. Again, you will have to find out k1, k2, k3, k4. Then using this value, you will get the value of y of 0.2 for this equation. So this is how this process is proceeded until we find out the value of y of 0.2 for this equation. So similarly, we have another equation like this, that is y dash is equal to this. Y dash is equal to x square minus 3xy plus y square. If I take this term, entire term into this side, minus 3y, this is the original equation now. Now we have to find out the values of k1, k2, k3, k4. Then what is the value of y0? y0 is equal to 2. What is the step size? h is equal to 0.05. 0.05 plus 0 is equal to y of 0.05. That is equal to this. That means y1 is equal to how much? This has to be determined. Again with this, we will use k1, k2, k3, k4 to find out the value of y of 0.05 plus 0.05. That is equal to y of 0.10. We are going to find out these values. So this process is repeated until we get the value of that y term, that is the desired term. Again for this, 1 plus x divided by 1 plus y square. Y dash is equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 plus y square. We have the term like this, y dash equal to this. Y of 2 is equal to 3. We have the term h is equal to 0.1. That means 2 plus 0.1 is what? 2.1 we have. That is y of 2.1. Then y of 2.2, y of 2.3, y of 2.4, y of 2.5. For all these, we have to use the same thing, that is, we have to find out k1, k2, k3, k4. Then using this k1, k2, k3, k4, you will get the value of 2.1. Again, k1 plus k2 plus k3, k plus k4 plus this term will give you the value of this term. Then again, k1 plus k2 plus k3 plus this term gives you the value of k3, that is 2.3. Then this process is repeated until we get the value of this term, 2.5. This process is repeated until the desired value is obtained. Again, similarly, we have y dash is equal to x square y. That is, y dash is equal to sine of xy minus x square y. We have the term like this. That is, y of 1 is equal to pi. We have then h is equal to 0.2. That is the step size. 1 plus 0.2 is what? 1.2 we have. What is the value of 1.2? That is y of 1.2. Then y of 1.4. Then y of 1.6. So on like this. All these are determined based on the value of this. That is k1, k2, k3, k4 is used to determine the value of this term. That is y1, then y2, y3, y4. All these terms are determined. So with this, I am concluding more number of examples on Runge Kutta 4th order method. So if you solve and practice many questions like this in your home, you will be absolutely become familiar with Runge Kutta 4th order. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. If you have any questions, kindly come to the college. I will be available here in the department. I can solve you any of your questions. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.